This is the master motherfucking machine! Look at your life and you know you're gonna see what I mean?
Today I'm going to show you how to whip up the ultimate barbecue prawn taco. Now, I've got to warn you though, it's not authentic Mexican, but they're full on flavour bombs and they're bloody delicious. I'll show you how to marinate the prawns so they zing, and I'll teach you how to whip up all that other delicious shit that goes in the taco as well with Metal Chef's secret sauce. Alright, these are my marinade ingredients. I've got garlic, little chilies, some lime, and a bit of olive oil. Prawns are marinated, chuck them in the fridge, grab yourself another beer. Carrot, capsicum, red cabbage. If you're a Nickelback fan, just use plain lettuce and go back to counting your toes. And I also use coriander, not important, you can use parsley or you can just leave it out. Metal Chef's secret ingredients are tahini and chipotle. With the tahini, get the whole, don't get the unwhole. There's two varieties. The unwhole tastes like shit. And chipotle. Chipotle will bring the smoky Mex flavour. Add a tablespoon of tahini and about a teaspoon of that. Add more if you want, if you're brave. I like to add a bit more. Then you put a bit of lemon juice in there, a bit of water, and we're going to mix it all together. Alright, this is the consistency you're looking for. You want it to be a nice sort of thick sauce, and that'll coat your salad beautifully. Get your barbie hot. If you've got any questions, leave me a comment down below. And hey, shout out to the hospitality workers out there. Keep your chin up, stay positive. Barbie's hot, beers are cold. This has got me more excited than my sugar gig. Let's cook some prawns. I gave them a quick season, bit of salt and pepper before I'm throwing it on the barbie. Now you got to work quick here, don't overcook your prawns, otherwise they're going to go rubbery and shitty, so work as fast as Danny Carey's arms. Warm your tortillas up. Some of this good shit on there. Oh dear. Ready, steady, taco. Come and have a look at that. Now get into it. Oh, that's delicious. Let me know how they work out for you. If there's anything you want to learn how to cook, leave me a comment below. I might read it. Or I'll probably just have a beer.
This is the master motherfucking machine! Look at your life and you know you're gonna see what I mean?